So, I've been thinking, do you think we should get our health advice from social media? It's
That's
kind
a
of
big one.
tricky, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like a double-edged sword. There's so much
Exactly.
information out there.
Right? And it's overwhelming. I mean, there was this woman, 27 years
Yeah?
old, who thought she had PCOS based on Instagram posts.
Seriously, did she get
Yeah.
diagnosed?
Actually, she did. But she went through a lot of anxiety before getting the
I
proper
see.
diagnosis.
So social media kind of helped her, but also caused stress.
Exactly. It's like it can be helpful but also harmful, you know? On one hand, it raises awareness.
But on the other hand, it can lead to unnecessary worry.
Right.
So what's the solution?
Well, psychotherapist Jordan Vyas Lee says social media isn't a good source of medical information
Makes sense.
because it's often shared by non-experts.
Yeah, you don't always know who's behind the advice. Could be
Exactly.
anyone.
But then, psychoanalytic psychotherapist Anna Sergent believes it can be a force for good if it's accurate. So it's
Interesting.
about the quality of the information.
So as long as it's evidence-based and from qualified professionals,
Exactly.
it can empower people.
Right. But there's a risk of people obsessively checking symptoms. That can
Yeah.
lead to anxiety.
Definitely. Over-analysis can cause us to catastrophize.
Exactly.
We might delay seeking proper help.
And that's not good. But social
No, it's
media
not.
also helps normalize taboo topics, especially in women's health.
Absolutely. Women feel more comfortable sharing their experiences. It's
Yes.
powerful.
So maybe it's about balance? Using social media as a starting point, but verifying with reliable sources.
Yeah, and always consulting professionals when in doubt.
Exactly.
An actual doctor is more helpful than a TikTok user.
Couldn't agree more. So, we shouldn't completely dismiss social media, but approach it cautiously.
Right?
It's all about being critical of the information we consume.
Agreed. Let's stay informed, but also mindful about where we get our advice. That's the key.
Exactly.